Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two nail art designs featuring Clear Jelly Stampers 208 Lake Life stamping plate. I'm also going to be using my teal Lil Bling stamper from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is a smaller stamper and it comes with two clear stamping heads. And before we get started, you're going to want to make sure to remove that blue protective barrier from the stamping plate, and then you're ready to go. The first design is a lake themed design, and I'm starting off with 3 coats of this shimmery blue polish. Then I'll use this black stamping polish 001 More Like 1 AM to stamp the sunglasses image, and I'm going to use a silver stamping polish to stamp the reflection. The clear stamper head makes it super easy to see exactly where to stamp these layered images, and I'm going to do some more layered stamping with these flip-flops. So I'm stamping the base of the flip-flops with a white stamping polish, and then I'm using that same black stamping polish to stamp all the details. And then on my middle nail, I just stamped the words Lake Life with that same black stamping polish. I topped it off with a glossy top coat, and here is the finished design. And the second design I created using the Lake Life stamping plate is a beach themed design, so I'm starting off by painting my pointer and middle fingernails with a sandy beige polish. Then I use Clear Jelly Stamper 023 Pure Cocoa to stamp a few footprints in the sand. I painted my other nails with this light blue polish, and then on my ring fingernail I used 107 Ice Gray, 085 Teal Me Off the Ceiling, and 001 More Like 1 AM to stamp this girl jumping into the water. Again, this clear stamper was key for these layered designs, and once again I finished off with a glossy top coat. So here is the finished beach design. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these designs using Clear Jelly Stamper's 208 Lake Life stamping plate. But anyways, that's all for today. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!